Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do the Pick 3 lottery tip strategy sheet. This is called Mr. Tips and this is for March of 2023. You can pick this up in places that sell lottery in your state. So what this is, for people who don't know, these are hot numbers that they predict that will come within this month of March. These numbers right here, all right here, over here. So what you would do is you would pick this up and you would play these numbers, whatever you feel like for the day. Always make sure you're gambling responsibly, but also look at the sheet right here. This is where you can get it if you're looking for it in the mail. So what you can do right here says 681-406. So depending on your budget, you may want to play so many numbers per day. Or you may say, hey, I want to play 320. I've been thinking about this number. So you would just go ahead, play 320, and you can play it for the week. The track record for people who know about Mr. Tips, this sheet is very accurate. You do not know which day it's going to come, but it does come. It may come like for 884, it may come 848, it may come 488. But the thing is that they will predict that these numbers will come. And I would say maybe like at least maybe half the numbers come in some kind of order within the month. So this is the front of Mr. Tips. This is one of the popular sheets. And on this channel, if you subscribe, we're going to be posting other tip sheets, so this way it can get you guys some extra money in your pockets. So right here, 111537, and if we flip it over, it's also another side. So some of you guys say, hey, I play my birthdays or my birthday month. So as you can see right here, we're coming into the Aries and some other ones. So if you say, even though it's not your birthday month, you still can play these numbers. And right here, it's just like pick 3 cube. And this gives you just a breakdown of a Rubik's Cube with pick 3 numbers on it. And you can pretty much pick these numbers. And the thing is about this sheet, it do give you different combinations. You see 388 here, and on the reverse side we saw 488. So they kind of give you the breakdown. You just have to pick the numbers that you think that may come on that day. Right here you have 277, 297, 908. And they even give you, look closely right there, they even give you a pick 4 number for the month to keep playing. So on this particular sheet, they only give you one pick 4 number, but other sheets give you multiple pick 4 numbers. But in this case, this is mostly a pick 3 sheet. So 1453, that's a freebie for you guys. Hey, it may come. It doesn't matter what state you're in the United States. These numbers do come. 1453, I personally played 3514 before, and I got it boxed, even though it didn't come exactly like this. So if you're interested, guys, just make sure you look for this at your local liquor store or where they sell lottery, cigar shops. I've seen it pretty much in a few places. And like I said, you can order it here. So this is Mr. Tips for March 2023. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and share if you like the content that I'm giving you. Thanks for watching, guys.